Now let's take a closer look at the capping operation, where the capper machine presses crimp caps onto the filled and stoppered vials. The capper machine is fed with vials by the filler machine upstream and are conveyed to the crimping station via a spacing wheel and two infeed wheels. The stopper position check at infeed wheel 1 verifies whether the inserted stopper is present and positioned correctly in the neck of the vial. A sensor checks that a vial detected as a reject does not remain in the transport system. Rejects are sent to the reject discharge at the infeed. Provided that the vials have been closed correctly with a stopper, crimp caps are loosely applied to the vials in infeed star wheel 2. The whole capping station consists of a supplied bin, hopper, sorting bowl, cap feed track, and cap transfer track. The sorting bowl feeds the correctly oriented crimp caps into the feed track. A light sensor located in the lower part of the feed track monitors the cap supply in the feed track. If a light sensor detects a shortage of caps, the machine stops. As soon as there are sufficient caps, the machine starts up automatically. Another light sensor is located in the upper part of the feed track. It monitors the crimp cap supply at this position and controls the sorter. The crimp caps are pulled out of the transfer track by the vials as they pass underneath and settle on the rim of the bottle. After passing the cap check sensor at the infeed, the vials are transferred by infeed star wheel 2 to one of the 16 revolving discs of the transport system. When a vial is transferred onto one of the support discs, the disc is raised and presses the vial against the plunger above it. During the following transport, the support disc continues to rise so that the plunger presses the crimp cap fully onto the vial. For the crimping process, the vial is rotated. The crimping roller is pressed inwards against the rim of the cap. The lower edge of the crimp cap is turned inwards and crimped firmly. In this disc-type crimping, a pressure block applies an appropriate and uniform pressure onto the vial, stopper, and seal. A disc then gently and consistently tucks the aluminum under the flange of the vial crown, securing the seal. Properly sealed vials are essential as they help to achieve that highest objective, patient safety. After crimping, the crimping roller swivels away from the vial again. The support disc then descends again and releases the vial. The closed vial is picked up by discharge wheel 1 and, after passing another cap check station, transferred to discharge wheel 2. A vision system at discharge wheel 2 checks the crimping quality, the presence of the crimp cap, and the color of the flip-off button on each vial. Rejects are transferred from discharge wheel 2 into the reject discharge at the discharge. A sensor checks that a vial detected as a reject does not remain in the transport system. An operator must replace the filled trays. The good vials are transported to the machine downstream from discharge wheel 2 over discharge wheel 3 and the rotary transfer table at discharge. A feed sensor is located at the rotary transfer table. If a buildup of vials is detected, the machine stops. When the buildup has been resolved, the machine resumes operation automatically.